Hello everyone, welcome back to our crochet basic series. So far we have learned the basic crochet stitches. So today we are learning one of the most important techniques in crochet, the magic ring, also called magic circle. If you ever wanted to make an amigurumi, flower, coasters, hats, or granny squares, the magic ring is where many of those projects begins. So let's learn it step by step. We have our properties, the yarn and the hook. Before we begin, let's understand what's a magic ring. Like a magic ring creates an adjustable loop that you can pull closed after crocheting into it. Unlike starting with a chain, the central loops completely leave no hole in the middle. So that's why it's perfect for amigurumi and other round crochet projects. So let's begin. For the magic ring, just same like how we are making slip knots, just hold the yarn here, wrap around the fingers, okay, make an X here. So take your hook, insert your hook into the first yarn, then pull the loop, okay, then we need to twist the hook, insert the hook into this tail, pull up the yarn. See, we made our magic circle. This one we can adjust. See, we can just hold it here and we can adjust. We can make it small. If you want, we can make it big. Okay, let's do it again. Just hold the yarn here, wrap around your fingers, take the hook, insert here and pull this loop under this one, then twist yarn over and pull up the loop, okay, pull up the loop. See, we create the magic ring. If you want to untie, just pull, it will be untie. Okay, let's do one more time. Hold the yarn here, wrap around your fingers, insert your hook under the strand, pull this loop under like this, twist yarn over, pull the loop. Okay, this is, see, then we can adjust the magic circle by pulling this tail. I will show you how to make the single crochet knit on the magic circle. Okay, yarn over, pull the loop, pull through it. Okay, just make sure that we are crocheting around both the loops and the yarn tail. Okay, we need to then yarn over with the loop, then we need to so we will do few more single crochet into the magic ring. So we made 1 2 3 4 and we will do 2 more single crochet on the magic ring. Then I will show you how to adjust the magic circle. So we have made 6 single crochet into the magic ring, and we just pull this tail tightly. Okay, we made so here we made our magic circle tight, so there is no hole in the middle of the magic circle. So today you just learned how to make the magic ring. Practice it few times, like it will be easy for you. In the next crochet basic video, we will learn how to make the increase and decrease. and an essential technique for creating circles, amigurumi, and many other projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting.